Happy election eve. One issue matters most to me this year: healthcare. For the last 2 years, I've witnessed one of my closest loved ones battle cancer. It has not been easy. Thankfully, they were covered under an Obamacare plan when they were diagnosed, received excellent treatment from a dedicated professional medical team, and are now doing well. This is the first election in our lifetimes where a former president is running against a sitting member of the current administration, giving us a rare opportunity to compare exactly what they've done on the issues. On healthcare most of all, the candidates' actions reflect their overall priorities, while revealing whose interests their parties are really looking out for. When he was a candidate in 2016, Donald Trump campaigned heavily on repealing Obamacare, and as president he almost succeeded. But a thumbs down from Republican Senator John McCain of Arizona blocked Trump's effort to repeal the law by just one vote, 51-49. So President Trump overrode Congress by using executive power to limit the subsidies that allow millions of Americans to access care. Then we had the largest health emergency in modern history. Imagine how much worse COVID would have been if President Trump and the Republicans had succeeded in gutting our public healthcare system. Now they're ready to try again. The current Republican Speaker of the House, who will control Congress if President Trump wins, said this week, quote, "Healthcare reform's going to be a big part of the agenda." On the other hand, Democrats under the Obama-Biden-Harris trio have helped tens of millions of people gain regular access to a doctor, while flattening the cost of healthcare that had been, up to that point, quickly rising for decades. Think about that. If everything is as bad as President Trump says it is, why is it a good idea to throw one of the biggest and most important sectors in our economy into chaos without even presenting a plan for what would come next?
Just a yes or no, you still do not have a plan.
I have concepts of a plan.
The facts are clear. President Donald Trump and the Republicans tried to take healthcare away from my family and tens of millions of others across the country. This is not a game. Please join us in defeating their efforts. The links to all this information are in the description, as is how to get to your nearest polling place if you still need to make a plan to vote.